It's IBC2025. We are here in Hall 2 and we're on the Promise Technology stand, and I'm joined as usual by Yarik. Hi, nice to see you again.
Hi, nice to see you again.
So we've spoken about Pegasus in the past, but we've got some updates.
Yeah, so today I would like to talk about our lineup, the Thunderbolt 5 lineup, Thunderbolt 5 PromiseRAID lineup. We're going to start with the Pegasus5 R12 Pro, which equipped with the PromiseRAID technology inside. So what I would like to mention about the Pegasus 5 R12 Pro is that that's basically the storage platform that built for the creators that wants a serious performance. Whether you're editing HD, 4K, 8K, even 8K, you can do it with this system. So this system comes with the 12 drives inside and also 4 NVMe's at the back for better performance. So you can utilize the NVMe's for a best performance, and you can store everything you don't use basically in the hard drives part. And one very important part for today that we are happy to announce that we managed to build our own Promise plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro and Photoshop. And today I can show you around about how does it work.
Yeah.
So basically, once you're opening the Adobe Premiere Pro, let me open that. Just any project, and you're working on Adobe Premiere Pro with your project or whatever you're doing, but you don't want to go to another application to manage the storage itself. You can do it inside the Adobe Premiere Pro. You just run the plugin itself. It shows up here. Then we move it right here, and then you have the entire system. The entire system where you can manage right inside the Adobe Premiere Pro. So that means that it's very useful, and it gives you like a lot better usable thing that you can utilize the plugin itself inside the Adobe. You don't need to go anywhere else to manage the storage. So this is about the Promise plugin for Adobe Premiere and Photoshop. And also you would ask if it's only like Mac friendly, maybe like no other platforms friendly.
That'd be a good question, yeah.
We're not. We're also supporting the Windows-based platforms, and today we're happy to announce that today we support the HP ZBook mobile workstation as well, and Promise can utilize the Thunderbolt 5 connection with the HP mobile workstation and the Promise Pegasus 5 R12 Pro. So not only Windows, not only Mac, with combination with all Mac and Windows together. And also today we have the Pegasus5 M8 here, and this is if you need even better performance, even better solution, even better throughput. This is the all-flash, all NVMe storage. Comes with 8 NVMe's inside for the best performance. Also Thunderbolt 5. It also has the nice handler here, so you can even carry it with you anywhere you go. Yeah, and the most important is that those 2 storages comes with the PromiseRAID technology inside.
Cool. So you've got the plugins, you've got Windows compatible now, and you've got a nice handle.
Obviously, yes.
Where can people find out more information if they're not at IBC?
It can be found either on our website or through our distributors. Each region we have the distributors. If you go to our website and where to buy, you're gonna find all the information of our distributors and resellers on the region there. So,
and your website is
promise.com.
Promise.com. Yarik, thank you very much indeed. Do check out the website for all the solutions. We're doing a couple of other videos here with Frank, and another one with Yarik, so do check those out on our channel as well. And of course, for everything else we're doing at IBC, that's at kitplus.com.